Most options traders focus heavily on finding the perfect entry. But the real challenge begins after the trade is placed. This is where many traders struggle. Managing multi-leg options positions manually requires constant monitoring and quick decisions. But what if your options strategy could monitor itself, adjust based on predefined rules, and verify every trade directly inside your broker account? Hi traders, welcome back to AlgoRaider. Today we're following a live SPY and fly strategy from deployment, automated adjustments, and broker verification. This is not just a backtest. We are looking at a live strategy connected to a broker, showing how automation can help manage the complete life cycle of an options trade. Our SPY and fly strategy has already been created inside AlgoRaider. The entry logic, repair rules, exit conditions, and position management rules are already configured. Now let's deploy the strategy live. Once deployed, AlgoRaider continuously monitors market conditions. As SPY moves, the platform evaluates the strategy against predefined adjustment rules. When conditions are met, AlgoRaider automatically adjusts the position by rolling option legs, managing exposure, and reshaping the risk profile. This is where automation becomes truly valuable. The focus is not just entering a trade. It is managing the trade as the market evolves. Let's open the running strategy. Here we can see active positions, current P&L, and the live payoff graph generated from the actual executed option contracts. After every adjustment, AlgoRaider automatically recalculates the updated risk profile, including maximum profit and maximum loss. Now let's verify the execution directly inside Alpaca. Every order generated by AlgoRaider appears here exactly as executed by the broker. You can see the entry trades, adjustment orders, closed option legs, and newly opened positions. This provides complete transparency between the strategy and your broker account. Now let's return to AlgoRaider. Notice how the broker executions have updated the live payoff graph. The strategy has moved from its original structure to a more balanced position after the automated adjustments. This highlights an important concept in options trading. Finding the right entry is only the beginning. Markets move, volatility changes, and strategies need to adapt. The ability to manage and adjust positions is what matters over the life of a trade. AlgoRaider is designed around this idea. It does not just automate entries. It helps automate the complete strategy lifecycle: entry, monitoring, adjustments, risk management, and execution tracking. If you want to see more real-world strategy demonstrations or help shape future AlgoRaider features, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share your feedback in the comments. Tell us what challenges you face while trading options or what features you would like us to build next. Your feedback directly influences our roadmap, and selected community members will receive complimentary beta access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AlgoRaider demo.